Hello guys, welcome to Cryptus Cyber Security YouTube channel. Today I will show you a great alternative of NG-Rock, that is Cloudflare. Today we will use Stormbreaker with Cloudflare to go to the global network. So first we have to go to the terminal and browse into your Stormbreaker's directory or folder. Then start your Stormbreaker. For me it's 5.3.st.py. Now it will start the Stormbreaker and it will give us the link of the local web panel. But this link will only open if we are connected locally. But what we have to go global, then we will use the Cloudflare service to go global. Now we will type Cloudflare hyphen URL, then the link we have copied from the Stormbreaker. Now we hit enter and it will start creating a tunnel. It will take a minute or so to create a tunnel. Till then, I will tell you what is Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a global network designed to make everything you connect to internet secure, private, fast, and reliable. The main benefit of using Cloudflare is when we were using ngrok for phishing in global network. First, the visit site page used to open, but Cloudflare will directly take us to the particular website or take the victim to the particular website. That is the biggest advantage of using Cloudflare. Now we have seen that our server is running. Now we will copy this link. As you can see, it is doing the registration. Now we will copy this link and paste it into the URL to see that if our global network or global server is running or not. Here it will take some time, and as you can see that the Cloudflare is still converting into the global network. As you can see, we came into the admin panel of the Stormbreaker. Now just type the default admin password and ID, and it will take us to the NGRock web page. Now copy any of the phishing link, and send it to the global network. Here, let's see if that link is working or not. Stormbreaker is also a phishing tool, so it will help us in a basic hacking. So as you can see, we have just entered the URL in the global panel. There is no local host available, and we have come to the website without any redirection or a page that is asking us to visit the website. We have directly come to the victim's website. Now, here we will see that if the NGRock is working or not. As you can see, the NGRock is working. So, thank you for the video.